Blimey.
What?
You getting your hands dirty.
Yeah, but I've got gloves on.
Aren't you worried you might break a nail?
Don't be sarky.
No, it's nice to see you looking after something.
I love the car. Kind John.
Thoughtful job.
Oh yeah, show him how wisely I'm spending his grand's money. Let's do it.
Telephone.
Who is it?
I don't know.
Well, can't you just tell him I'll ring him back?
No, can I? I'm in a rush to get back to work. I'll see you later.
Mwah. Dad, my car has been stolen.
Joking.
I just went inside to answer the phone.
I don't understand. How did you get it started?
I left my keys in the ignition.
Hey, this is a key. Comes with a car. Enables you to lock it.
Dad, you are amazing.
Where did you find it anyway?
Bottom of Tile Street.
Can you
Proper once over tomorrow.
I better ring the police and tell them.
Already done it.